Just walking through the tall grasses here on the flats on our way up Dewdrop Ridge. Now we're on a single track that winds up to the top of the ridge through grasslands and open forest. Sun's appearing through a rain cloud now, and right now we're hiking up this towards the top of this ridge, but the Red Plateau escarpment is right behind us, rising almost 2,000 feet. Lava cliffs from an eruption millions of years ago. That's Jag Hill right in front. To the left is the ridge that goes up the Dewdrop Trail to the top, the rim of the escarpment, and over to the far left there, that's Castle Butte. Beautiful country in here. I'm just up on top of the basalt bluffs right now. That roaring sound in the distance is the fighter jets. They've just done their flyby for Remembrance Day, and they're going to be landing at the airport. They fill up the whole valley full of sound. Down below us is Cooney Bay, Tranquille, the estuary for the Thompson River flowing into Kamloops Lake, the floodlands beyond that, and working its way back towards Kamloops. I'm right on the rim of the ridge right now, overlooking the hills below and the lake, Battle Bluff ahead, and the trail follows the top of this ridge, a gentle slope to the north. So it's an area sandwiched between the cliffs on the south side, Dewdrop Range in the middle, and Red Plateau above. This section's all open sagebrush grasslands. That's Battle Bluff below us and directly south. Big cliffs, two sets of them to get down and back up again. But we'll be going along this ridge and down to the Battle Bluff Trail. Not going up there today, but that's a very popular hike.